Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be folding my um, Minato's kunai knife. I think it's called Flying Thunder God kunai, something like that. Not really sure, uh, but here it is. So first, you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to fold it in half, like so, and unfold that. Then you want to bring this two edge right here to this center line right there, okay? Okay, like so. And then you want to bring this edge right here right onto that center line, okay? Like a paper airplane. And now you want to unfold that. Then you want to use that crease line that we just folded and fold in these corners. So open the model just a little bit, then push in that corner up, okay? Same thing on this side. So open up the model, then fold up those crease line that we just folded, like so. And now there will be these two triangles right here. You want to fold down those two triangles, okay? Just like that. Then you want to turn it over to this side, then bring these two edges right here down to the center line, okay? Like so. And same thing on this side as well. And now flip it over to this side, and then you want to bring this triangle all the way up, and line up this edge against this edge here, okay? So fold that all the way up and make sure these two edges are lined up, okay? And same thing on this side, so this edge should line up with this edge here, okay? So bring that whole triangle up. And then you want to turn to the back side, and from this corner right here all the way up to this point, okay? So you want to fold that whole side over. Like so, and same thing on the other side as well. So from this corner all the way up to that point. Okay, and now you want to fold this bottom portion in half all the way up to the middle of the side triangles here. So around there, around the middle of that. Same thing here. And fold this whole portion down. Okay. Half. And now you're gonna fold no, you want to fold these corners. So you see these two corners right here. So you want to fold up those two corners, just like this. You see the W? That two corners right there? Fold that two corners up, like so. Should look like this. And then lean against this edge and make a crease right against it. Okay, just like that. So this is going to be the ring. And you want to open it up. Then you see that crease line in the middle? Fold that up, and then you want to fold up the corners like that. Okay, then fold that down. Okay, and open that up just like that, and fold this portion in half. Okay, and fold this part in half as well, with it, just like that. And all the way till the end, and then put up the blade up. Put up the blade, yeah. Okay. And now you want to fold up just the edge. Fold up this edge as well. You want to end just around there. Okay, so a little bit of that sticks out. And unfold. Okay, and kind of shape it up as you like. And for the ring, you want to fold up these 2 points right here. Just like that. And then you see these 2 triangles. Just fold them right across this side as well. Just like so. And then fold up these 2 corners. Okay, just like so. And then you want to fold this piece in half again. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.